Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. Tonight I'm going to talk about this rare find I just found at the flea market last weekend. It's called Boatniks. They were made by Remco during the 1970s, and I've tried to do some research regarding these battery operated toys, and for some reason I just cannot find any information about them, and I checked all over eBay and everywhere on these particular toys, and you just can't find them anywhere. So what I'm gonna do is demonstrate how they work, and I have two here actually that I found at the flea market. One that's missing the oars and one that is complete. So this one runs okay. You have to kind of mess with the batteries a little bit to make it work. However, it's missing all the parts, or, well, just the oars mainly. And I guess back in the day you actually put this in water and it would roll around in the tub or wherever you placed them in the body of water. And it has its rudders in the back, so it's really a cool, unique toy. Again, I have never seen these before until the flea market. I think it's a great find because you just don't really see stuff like this. So I'll open it up here, and that's the mechanism right there. And see, in order to make this work, I have to keep messing around with these batteries. It's kind of a primitive setup here. But there you go, I got it to work, but you have to keep moving the batteries around. So I think the batteries might be wearing out on these. I'm not too sure. There we go. So he's working strong, but I have to hold the battery in place. Again, it's a very old toy, so it's not going to work like it used to. So I'll power that off. I'll take the batteries out, and next I'm going to show you the complete version of Boatniks. And again, this is probably the only video you're going to see of Boatniks. I've never heard of Boatniks battery operated toys. They were made by Remco. So let me go ahead and pull this out here. Here we go, we're unboxing. Here's the oars. Box is a little beat up, but still it's in decent shape. Here's the instructions they gave you. And there's the pirate. So move that a little, move the camera a little back here. And there we are. There's everything. Instructions, it comes with 2 oars. Everything's there. And here's the pirate. And he works perfectly good. So we'll put the oars in his hand. Let's see, I wonder if there's a way to move his... Okay, I guess not. So I don't want to break him, because he's a fairly old toy. Alright. So just put that there. And the other oar, just stick in the other hand. And you just kind of pop it in there. And there he is. The pirate. And I believe they made 4 versions of these guys. Show you So it looks like they made the Viking, the Indian, and the Sailor, which I have, that's not complete, and then the Pirate, which I have complete in the box. So that's all 4 Boatniks. There's the instructions. Tells you how to put everything together. It looks like he might have came in pieces at one time, because it shows you how to snap everything in place. So it's a it came with some instructions here when I bought the toy at the flea market. It's battery operated. There he is, the Pirate. There's the rudder. So again, let's turn him on here. It looks like he has a water cannon or something there. So I guess the kids put these in the bathtub or in a lake or something, and they would just roll in the water. And depending on the way you set the rudder, he would go in that particular direction. So there you go. Again, thank you for watching my video this evening on Boatniks, and have a good night.